My name is Husain. I'm one of the BMW Genius here at Bill Jacobs BMW. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your wipers on your BMW. First, we're going to start off by putting the vehicle in replacement mode. You're going to start off by using the wiper stock and pushing and holding it down for about 10 seconds. You will notice the wiper arm stop in this position right here. So at this point you can let go and we can step outside and we'll show you how to replace the wipers. Alrighty folks, now that we're outside of the vehicle, to replace your wiper blades, you're going to lift the arm up. There are two little prongs right over here. You're going to pinch those and pivot the wiper arm forward and you lift up. It's simple as that to remove it. To place it back on or to replace a new wiper, all you're going to do is use this little portion of the wiper, snap it on there, and you want to click it on. You want to make sure you hear the wiper snap in to ensure that they are securely fitted. Then you can put the wiper arm back onto the windshield, and it is simple as that to replace your wipers. Again, my name is Husain from Bill Jacobs BMW. Thank you for watching.